Hello guys, I'm Adriana and in today's video I'm going to explain you what's the most common failure with Samsung Galaxy A series. Here we have one of the guilties. It's one of the ends of the FPC connector of the motherboard. Next, we'll explain you where the problem of this connector is. Guys, today with the help of Leonardo, we are going to understand perfectly the failure of Samsung Galaxy A series. A10, A20, A30, A40 and so on. A picture is worth 1,000 words. In the middle part of the connector, the soldering is quite thin. Another important data is the type of solder lead used. It is a lead-free solder lead and, as a general rule, is much softer than the solder lead. What we have to do in this case is to resolder the connector using a good solder lead and a good technique. We apply a little flux. With the type of the soldering iron at 350 Celsius degrees, we heat the two parts and then we add solder wire. In this way, we'll get a strong soldering that will never break in this life. So let's solder the four sides. In the description of this video, you'll find the link from where to buy the flux and some solder wire that we are using during this repair. In the description, I leave you the links of the tools and spare parts that we use. If you liked the video, don't forget the like. Thank you. If you want to firm up all the pads, we have to apply a little flux and then, with the type of the soldering iron, we review them one by one. This is the final result. Here we have the guilty one. It is this connector. We are going to proceed to assembly the device and check the correct functioning. As you can see, we have a good load, and in this way we have solved this Samsung Galaxy A series. So far we have solved hundreds of devices with this common failure. Guys, this was today's video. He is Leonardo, and as always we thank you for watching us and see you next time. Bye bye.